We're out banking. Something on. Feels a bit better. Oh, I don't know. I think it's a doggy. It's a doggy. Shows you could go further up then.
Yeah, we're in the deep here.
That's what I mean, but it just shows that we could go even further then. Might be a spot, mate.
Depends on what it is.
See what he's got. He's fighting. If that's the case, mate, we'll go further up next one. If we find one, could always find more. Oh, looks like a flat. It's a flat.
Baby.
Tiddler.
Baby. Straight on his head though.
Yes. What's happening, isn't it?
Probably the smallest one I've ever seen on here.
Yeah.
Well done, mate. It's a start anyway.
Yeah. Start small, get big.
Yeah.
I see
A bite. So I'd hold the rod, I just felt a bite. Just give it loads of line. Don't be a spider crab. Hey. Oh, it just come loose. Oh no, it's back. That's weird. Went light for a second. Come on, be a flatty. Doggy. Could be into fish number 2. What is it? A dog. Bait pinchers. So we've just changed banks, we're on the Guernsey now and finally got a bite. Hopefully it's not a dogfish. And hopefully it don't come off. I reckon it's a flat. That's a flatty, I reckon. ain't no doggy, mate. Get the net, boys, get the net. Can't be that much further. Oh, I see it. It's a turbo. She's a turbo. It feels decent, mate. She's a nice one. Woohoo! Lovely. That's what we need more then. What have you taken? How many hours to catch one? Where's that gone through the net? Something in here. Finally. Nice little dish.
Yeah. Right.
It's got to be close to 6 for sure. That.
Yeah.
Got to be at least 6, I reckon.
Close to it.
Go on, mate. Weakened him. Hey! I think we're into another fish.
Brill.
Oh, that's a turbot. Oh, he's just come off.
Come on.
Little baby one, just come off.
Well, he's gone back anyway.
He was going back anyway.